I was a worship pastor at a local church, and I was making about $45,000 a year, and that was a really good salary in 2007. I thought I was killing. I was like 32 years old. I was like, this is my dream job, And my piano tuner was like, Jack was telling me, like, I'll go out and after lunch, maybe one more tuning after lunch, I'll go home with $800. He was cracking me up. He was like I'm rich, And I was like, whoa, $800 for a day? You were making that in a day? He's like, oh yeah. I mean, many days of the week I can make that. He was like telling me about the financial ability to make money in the piano industry, and you have to be good, and you have to know what you're doing, and you have to work. But I was like, well, I was only making like $800 a week or $600 a week or something. And I was like, this is crazy. He's like, oh, I can make $600 a day. And my other mentor was telling me the same thing. And I was like, you guys are making what? Like, I was just like kind of blown away in my little brain. Like, oh, you can make $800 in a day, $600 in a day. It's easy. Once you learn the skills that I'm teaching you, it isn't really that hard to make $500, $750. Sometimes my partner in Ohio will come home like $800, $950, $1,000 in a day of billing. Okay, and you can only do this. You can only do this if you use really smart techniques, and I'm calling it the Apex way. It's my way that I do it. The guys that taught me, because some of these older techs that were doing by ear tuning, they were getting mad because the young guys were going out tuning like 5 pianos a day. And they were like going home like, I'm done. I got 5 pianos a day. That's at our rate. That's over $1,000 in payments for a day. And we don't do 5 tunings a day every day, and we don't do 5 full price tunings every day, but some days we will, right? So the idea is that it's possible. It could happen. You could do that. It is a realistic idea to say, oh, I could make $500 a day. Yeah, you do 2 $225 tunings a day and add a couple repairs onto the top of those tunings, upsell a few repairs in the home, and you're well into $600 for the day before lunch. Okay, that's that. You need to go home and play with your kids. That's what I was doing. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Also, they wrote an article about me in the Nashville Voyager magazine, and I talked about why I started and how I started, and talked about some of my son. What I used to do is take a day off a week and just play with him, and I still can do that because this is phenomenal. If you want to do this, I would encourage you to take the Apex Piano Technicians course. I'm glad that I was able to kind of shed some light on why I think it's different, and why I'm not worried about this RPT testing, and why I'm kind of breaking through the noise in the industry and showing you my own business model. And I hope that helped you understand before you take the course. I want you to take this course that's good for you, and I want you to be able to become a good piano tuner and then go out and enjoy the years ahead for your own life, with your own family, making a good income and building your own business. I'm here for you. I'm your personal mentor during this process. I answer my text messages, my drift messages, and I even have one-on-one Zoom calls if you want to pay a little additional. So I can help you source tools, everything you need, and I'm just kind of doing this out of my studio here in Nashville. And so go to apexpiano.com, sign up. My boy's home, so it sounds like it's time. He's coming in, and he's going to come in and he's going to say, go to apexpiano.com, click on the little link, and you can start there. All the links will be in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will see you in there. God bless. I'm looking forward to it.